friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Success Diamond. Myself Ayushi Kabra from Sakanagar, Bangalore, Karnataka. Today I am again back with you all. It's already time is around 1:45 p.m. So today I will be discussing with you about American drama, that is MEG 17. And friends, don't be panic since exams are appearing near. So it's a like expectation from every parents that we have to score good marks, we have to give them a good name. So if anyone has got hurted, so I can just say don't be hurted, just it's welfare for everyone. Okay friends, so now American drama, many people were asking me like how we have to do, what we have to do, how we have to study. So see, American drama, firstly I want to say you don't go directly to question papers. You go and see the question papers, but before going and seeing the question papers, first be confident on what you have to study and which topics you have to study. So friends, these are the question papers with me. As you can see here, these are my question papers. And this one are my notes, what I have prepared. And before going to my notes and question paper studies, I'll tell you these are the 3 pens which I am using it. This pen is now also I'm telling this is for rough work which I am using at my home. So keep it aside. We should not use this one in exam. Exam mandatory are these 2 pens, black pen and blue pen. Black pen for writing the questions and blue pen for writing the answers. And of course paperweight we should not carry it in exams. It is my to manage my pages I'm using it paperweight. So coming up to the topics now, what we have to study. So for now I'll show you a few tips and tricks like how you can remember in the exam. So for example, in June 2023, we firstly try to understand what note is given by the teachers from examinations. So in note they have given answer any 5 question, all question carry equal marks. Question number 8 is compulsory. Here also question number 8 is compulsory. So see, first question is describe expressionism in the light of the plays by Eugene O'Neill, The Emperor Jones, Henry App and All Gods, Chillum Got Wings. So this question 100% I am appearing. Then again, what is musical and what is a farce? Farce means it is a type of a comedy which doesn't have any sense, like it's like without any sense or without any manner. That one is called as a without, it's a comedy only farce, but it's like without any, जैसा अपन बोलते हैं ना कि क्या सिर बिना सिर पाँव की बात कर रही है, like what are you cracking a joke without any head or tail. So just like that it is. So then next we have, do you think the naturalism was highly influenced by Darwin natural selection and Freud's physiological theory? Justify your answer. That is nothing but a Rising in the Sun by Laura and Hansberry. Then next, locate the idol of absurd theatre in its historical context. Then after that, discuss a modernism with reference to T.S. Eliot, A Family Reunion. This is 100% appearing questions. Attempt short notes on any 2, that is 10 into 2, 20 marks. Now here, question number 8 is compulsory. So see, you can attend here Who is Afraid of Virginia Woolf and The Glass Menagerie. Glass Menagerie was written by Tennessee Williams and Who is Afraid of Virginia Woolf was written by Virginia Woolf. This is also the common question asked plenty of times. So friends, like A Family Reunion, we know it is by Thomas Stearns Eliot. It's only a one-day act and one-day drama it is. Who is Afraid of Virginia Woolf is nothing but Who is Afraid of Big Bad Wolf, Who is Afraid of Big Bad Wolf, Who is Afraid of Virginia Woolf, but I am not. Come on friends, jokes apart. So Glass Menagerie, this is a play game. It also consists of 4 acts. Who is Afraid of Virginia Woolf consists of 8 acts. A Family Reunion consists of 5 acts. Then we have Raisin in the Sun. This is a Negro African, like American and African family separated. Like this is about a Raisin in the Sun, like how a African family is staying in the smallest place, in an inconvenient place, and how they are shifting it next to the white people's place. And there will be one Mr. Carl Linder who offers them plenty of money, who offers them to change the place, but they knows the Lena, like Lena, as we know, Mama, she knows everything. So she thinking of her family criteria. As her husband has died, she has got the $20,000, 20,000 I guess, 20 or 80,000 something was up, $20,000. So she wants to use that. Yeah, uh, $10,000. Sorry, $10,000 she received, Mama. So how she wants to use it in her home, how she has given it to her daughter Binetha, and how she has given it to her son, and she has her one daughter-in-law as a Ruth, and in this way the story runs. So we have to, there will be like for Binetha, two persons will be quoting, like Asagai and Murchi-san, and in this both still final, we don't know whom she is going to finalize the guy for her. Then we have naturalism, Darwin's theory. Okay, friends, one more important thing. Like in expressionism, the Emperor Jones. This is nothing but a silver bullet. This story is very interesting. So keep practicing, keep practicing. You will come to know about the story by Eugene O'Neill. Then we have Harry App. This is nothing but, you will be thinking Harry App means balo, like big has wala, bhalu wala bandar. But this is about a human being. This is about a, I can say you this one, like this is a story, like Eugene O'Neill has written about a ship person, a shipman. Then All Gods Chilum Got Wings, and this is also a wonderful, like I can say you drama. Here it is a like love story of two, like one couple, that is one is Negro and one is American. When she marries with her Harris, when she marries the girl, that time what all challenges she faces, that all we will come to know. And finally, like how they will come back to their childhood times, all that it is. So like this you have to remember. It's all repeated questions only, friends, we have. Puratism you have to understand. Puratism means new invention of poets, writers, and all the things of drama, act, all that new invention of Puratism in American drama. See friends, Emperor Jones is important. Who is Afraid of Virginia Woolf is important. Eugene O'Neill's contribution to modern American drama is important. Then you have to study the Harry App, All Gods Chilum Got Wings, Farce, then a family reunion, and the Glass Minegri. These are the important things. Apart from this, you have to study The Death of a Salesman by Will Loman and his family. Biff Loman was his elder son, and Happy Loman was his younger son, and Agatha was his wife, Agatha Loman, and he was having the friend as plenty of friends, two friends, one friend he was having, and Charles, he was his friend, and Bernard was his son. How he was seeing the American dream, and finally how he dies, like feeling his life, like he was running just behind American dream, but he never was successful man. How Carrie was a successful woman in American dream, here it was the opposite of that of a salesman. So now friends, I'll come to my notes. I'll show you how I have prepared my notes. So I hope everyone can see here MEG 17 American drama. I have this one on 10th of 2025, July. Exam date is on 10th of July 2025. See here friends, I have written here everything. Block 1, you have to study the beginning of American drama, that is contemporary American drama. Unit 2 is influencers. And then here all it starts. Realism, naturalism, realism, A Raisin in the Sun, Unit 11 by Lorraine Hansberry. Family reunion in poetic drama. And then Edward Albee was Who is Afraid of Virginia Woolf. Yeah, one interesting fact about Who is Afraid of Virginia Woolf. When you will study about Who is Afraid of Virginia Woolf, here two main politician characters have been included. First character is George. George is nothing but George Washington, who was the first president of USA, that is America. And Nick was the Nick is Nikita Khrushchev. She was the she was a Soviet Union member. So upon this too, it was politically by Edward Albee. It was created the drama, and it is a fantastic drama. So please friends, don't skip this drama. And Virginia Woolf is important. That actually, reality to say you, Who is Afraid of Virginia Woolf was the conversion of Who is Afraid of Big Bad Wolf. Who is Afraid of Big Bad Wolf. Then we have Emperor Jones as by Eugene O'Neill, which is nothing but a silver bullet. So he was bluffing the people, and how he bluffed, later on he himself will kill himself or he gets killed by others, no one knows last history. Then we have All Gods Children Got Wings. This is extra one because of subject we don't have all this except we have Emperor Jones. But you have to study about All Gods Children Got Wings, where I can give you few hints. Like Harris was black because since he was belonging from a Negro, and his wife used to call him as a crow, and I can say you his wife name, wait a minute, I'll just tell you his wife name. Because since I'm studying from 6 months, I have prepared all my notes, but still, till the exam time it will be there. So I'm just expecting you people can understand me, what my saying was. Yeah, it is a Jim. Jim Harris is the husband and Ella Downey. Yeah, Jim is the husband of Ella Downey, and Jim Harris is a black person, so Ella will call him as a crow, and Ella is fair, so Jim will call him as a panty face. So remember by these 2 points, All Gods Children Got Wings. Children in the sense, in Japanese, it will be called as a children. For children, they will call as a children. The Harry App. This is wonderful, drama written by Eugene O'Neill, and Eugene O'Neill has wonderfully explained, here how the higher standard is differentiated between the lower standard during those times, and I'll share you few glimpses of that. Wait a minute, friends. Give me some few minutes time. I'm just searching it. Since I made full notes, so all God's children got wings and Harry. Yeah, Harry App, like Robert Yang Smith. He's a British man and who is working a ship as a fireman. And when he gets angry, when the Mildred Douglas will insult him, telling him as a Harry App, and he tries to take the revenge from Douglas, but it is not possible for him because she belongs from a higher society of America. And lastly, in the Harry App, when he goes to the cage of the monkey, like you can say by when he enters into the cage of like you can say when he enters into the cage of gorilla or chimpanzee, when he just keeps the hand, like handshake, when he does for a gorilla or anything you can imagine. So when he just keeps his hands front for the shake, the monkey will pull him in the cage, and finally the Robert Yang will get died and his dead body is found in the cage. So this is the story of Eugene O'Neill, the Harry App. And then we have idea of Evan the Garden and the Glass Menagerie. Glass Menagerie by Tennessee Williams. So this is a, like it is a, I can say it's a game act story. Game, like it is a mind game story, meaning Glass Menagerie. Glass Menagerie means understand it is a glass made up of toys. Toys glass. Glass made up of, means toys are made up of glass. And how the girl will be like felt bad when she finds that already her lover is getting engaged. So friends, nothing is that to be panic or worried in the literature. Just only a hard work is required and struggle is required bit, like you have to make a proper timetable, you have to get up early, you have to make your schedule at least for 14 hours or 12 hours study. So this all will help you out, and I feel like today my lecture was enough. So I wish all the best for everyone. Do well, don't be panic friends, and if anyone has got anything, please be feel to ask me at my number 8147127645 or 733-841-5007. So all the best friends, do well, let's catch up soon. Bye, take care everyone. I'll be back with my another few videos new.